I just arrived up here at the Daiquiri Lounge. They had a new canopy put in today. Gonna take some pictures and stuff and make a flyer for social media for them. Check it out. So it looks like looks pretty good. They got some canopies put in on the side over here. Huh? One right there. One down there. Looking good. The inside of the bar during the day shift is pretty slow, but it picks up later on. Like today's Wednesday, so starting Thursday, people start getting out of work and start wanting to drink. And there's the drive-through window right behind me right there, and all the daiquiri machines. We also have, let's see, in this bar we have a hookah lounge in this corner over there. The darts. There's pool. This is the DJ booth. That's the mixer y'all saw me playing with last time I was here. That bad boy. Who's that guy? Let me see you. Hold on. I left the Daiquiri Lounge laughing with Brandon. Brandon's a great guy. You'll see him more in future vlogs. I'm going to spend more time up there once we get the DJ booth going really well. And right now I'm in the process of just getting music. I have a music library with videos for video mixing and everything. But it's currently in Kentucky with my friend Brian. So we're gonna figure out a safe way to transport that external hard drive to Texas without it getting damaged, because those things are so sensitive. I've lost so much music and stuff over the years. But anyway, long story short, we were laughing when I left and I forgot my tripod, the one that I just put together with the PVC thing. I'm using my big tripod right now, so I have to go back up there and get that, but I'm not gonna do it just yet. They put it away for me. They called me and told me it was still there. So I'm gonna try to get some work done while I still have some sunlight available. And yeah. Stream of consciousness. I got nothing. Is this a good angle? Either way, it's the angle you're getting. Speaking of angles, I was really good in geometry. Was. Opposite interior angles are congruent. What? What am I doing? I just got back from Walmart. We were getting my mom trying to repair these glasses that she got. These are her primary glasses. And as you can see, they're not supposed to do this, but they do. So, without any luck, we couldn't get them fixed, and we couldn't find a frame that fit her lenses. So, I'm resorting to the good old standard super glue. I was gonna use Gorilla Glue, but Gorilla Glue, as we all know, expands when it dries. So I don't think that will work, because then they'll look like this. So that's what I'm about to do right now, and you can watch. Max, what's going on, Pop? He sleeps in a milk crate, right? So I got another one, that white one, and it's too small, but they'll still try to lay in it, and it's funny. I have to get some footage of that. Am I going too much? I think so. Remember those stream of consciousness videos I was talking about yesterday? I kind of feel like I'm giving you that right now. Watch this. Train. Really? Is there a school bus on the tracks? Every day, all night. That train goes by like 15 times a night. And he does that every time, no matter what the hour. Without a soul train on board. On the road. A little overkill, don't you think? Anyway, I got the glasses here. But, like a monkey, I set them here. How am I supposed to do anything now? Can't move them. I'm just gonna dance around them, I guess. I got my mind set on you. I've got my mind set on you. But it's gonna take money. A whole lot of spending money. It's gonna take plenty of money to do it right, child. George Harrison. Look him up. He was a Beatle and a Woolberry. Traveling one, by the way. And he funded a lot of Monty Python stuff. Look him up. Look him up. Okay, something. I'm gonna do something. I'll probably paint. Alright guys, I think I'm finished. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to block you. See my... What is that? What is that? Oh. Paint. What? Oh, I was saying goodnight. Yes, thank you all for sticking around and watching. Tomorrow, I gotta take my mama to a doctor appointment at 11 a.m. And then once we get back, I don't know how long we'll be. It's an eye doctor appointment, so I don't know. But once I get back, I'm gonna start painting again, and you know, we'll see how it goes. But paintings. Thank you guys for watching very much. I really appreciate it. Please tell your friends to subscribe too, because I'm ridiculously funny. Sorry. Corny, campy, jerky, monkey. Ridiculously monkey. Alright, I'll talk at you later. Good night.